If you look at this card, you can see a brave knight sitting on a fiery orange horse that is jumping forward with great speed. He is wearing full silver armor, showing that he is ready for action and any challenge. His yellow tunic is covered in green salamanders, which represent the power of fire, transformation, and constant movement. From his helmet and his sleeves, bright red feathers are flowing in the air. This shows his high energy, passion, and restless spirit. In one hand, he holds a tall wooden wand with fresh leaves growing on it. This means he is carrying a new idea and is rushing to make it happen. In the background, you can see distant pyramids under a bright blue sky. This shows that he is on a journey, exploring new paths and moving towards something unknown. The horse is rearing up, ready to charge forward. This shows that the knight is bold, impulsive, and not afraid to take risks. The suit of Vans is connected to the element of fire. It represents passion, action, movement, and the courage to do something bold. Overall, this card is about taking action on an idea with speed and confidence. Not just starting, but charging forward without fear. This is the Knight of Wands card. If upright, yes, fast movement, action, passion, bold decisions. If reversed, delays, frustration, rushing without thinking, lack of direction. Career business studies. If upright, you feel a strong burst of energy to start or complete something important. You may travel for work or move toward a new opportunity. In business, it shows taking bold action that can bring fast results. In studies, it means high motivation and finishing tasks quickly. If reversed, you may be rushing and making mistakes due to impatience. A project may slow down because of poor planning. In career, avoid being too aggressive or impulsive. In studies, you may feel frustrated or lose focus if results are slow. Love relationship breakup. If upright, this shows a fast, exciting, passionate romance. You may meet someone adventurous, charming, and full of energy. In a relationship, it brings fun, travel, passion, and spontaneity. In a breakup, it shows moving on quickly with confidence. If reversed, a relationship may feel hot and cold or unstable. Someone may lack commitment or act impulsively. In a relationship, arguments may happen due to ego or short temper. In a breakup, it can show anger or jumping into something new too quickly. Health. If upright, it shows high physical energy and strength. A great time for intense workouts, sports, or active routines. If reversed, you may be overworking your body and risk burnout or small injuries. There may be restlessness or scattered energy. It is important to slow down and listen to your body. General guidance. If upright, take action now and follow your passion. Don't wait, move forward with confidence. Trust your energy and go after what excites you. If reversed, slow down before making a decision. Think before acting to avoid mistakes. Don't let impatience or ego control your actions. Focus your energy in the right direction. So, the Knight of Wands teaches you to lead life with passion and courage, to take bold action and move toward your goals without fear, but also to balance your speed with awareness, so you don't burn out or lose direction. Move forward, but move wisely.